Good morning, dear students. In today's computer class, I will explain you about some more logo commands. Okay, logo commands, or we can also call logo primitives. Okay, logo commands are called primitives also. Okay, so primitives are the instructions that we give to draw anything or that we give to make any calculation. Okay, and turtle is the small object which follows all the given commands. Okay, the turtle obeys all the primitives or commands. By pressing the enter key we can execute the commands. Okay, I have explained you the use of forward command and the use of r back command and rt command. Okay, so forward command is used to move the turtle in forward direction. After writing the primitive name, you should leave one space and then you should specify number of steps. Okay, as you all can see here, and I have shown you practically also. Okay, back command, just opposite of forward, it is used to move the turtle in backward direction from its head. And the RT or the right command, RT command is also called the right command. Right command, it turns the turtle head towards the right side. It turns the turtle's head only. Okay, remember, it turns turtle head only. It doesn't move the turtle forward or backward. It turns the head of the turtle only. Okay, as you can see here, and I have shown you, this is the default home position of the turtle, where the head is on the top and the tail is the bottom. By using the right RT45 command, you can move the turtle's head 45 degree, and by using RT60 you can move the turtle's head 60 degree. Similarly, by pressing specifying 90, you can turn it 90 degree. In 130, the head will move like this, and by using the RT180 command, you can turn the turtle half. You can turn the turtle's head half. By from here it has been turned till here 180 degree. Okay, now let's come to another primitives, which is the left primitive. It's similar to the right command. It turns the turtle head towards left side. Okay, it turns the turtle's head left side. In RT command, it turns the head right, and LT command, it turns the head left. Okay, so after writing the LT command, you can specify the number of steps, or you can call it angle also, and then just press enter key or click on execute button. It will turn the head of the turtle 30 steps or 90 or any number you can specify. It will turn the position of head of the turtle. Okay, like I will show you practically right now. You can see here how it will turn the head of the turtle. You can see this is the default position. In LT45 it will look like this. Okay, basically whenever you want to draw different kinds of shapes, so you need to turn the position of turtle's head. Okay, that's why it's important to understand. Okay, now I will show you. See, now you can see this is the default position of the turtle. You can see now I'm using the FD command and 100. So you can see it moved in the forward direction from the position of turtle's head. Now if you want to make a horizontal line that side, left side, so you should use LT command. LT, and how much you want to turn it? You want to turn it from here till here, so you should use LT90 command. So now see that head position has been changed. Now move it in forward direction and then specify number of steps. I have specified, you can see. Now again, to move the turtle here back side, you have to change the position of turtle's head. So again you should use LT90 command. You can see the position of the turtle's head has been changed. Now you can use FT command again, FT100. Okay, and then use LT90 again. It will again turn the turtle to left side. And now FD100. This practical I have shown you in videos also. This is how we had drawn a rectangle. Sorry, we had drawn a square because all sides are same here. Okay, so this is how you can use the LT command. Okay, next is the home command. What is the use of home command? As you all can see here, home. This is the default position of the turtle. Default means जो position पहले से ही set होती है, ठीक है? So to bring the turtle back to its original position or back to its center position, we use the home command. As you all can see here right now, the position of the turtle is here. But if you want to move it in its original place, center position, so you can use the home command. Okay? See, this is the center position of the turtle. Center position means center of this screen. Okay, this screen excluding this commander window. इस commander window के अलावा है ना, because this is the center position of the turtle. Okay, and this gray box where you all can see all the written commands, it is called the recall list box. Okay, if you want to see how many commands you have used, it is called the recall list box. Okay, okay, so next topic is after home command is the turtle appears in the center of the screen, which is its home position. For here the turtle start move around the screen. Using number of primitives, we move the turtle around the screen, and if you want to bring the turtle back to the center position using the home primitive, okay, if you can bring the turtle to its home position using home primitive. Okay, and this primitive is not followed by any number. You can see here after each and every command number of steps has been specified, but here okay, so this is for using home command you do not need to specify any number of steps. Okay, it is used alone. Next is closing logo. If you want to close logo, so you can use the by command. It's also used without any number of steps. No, nothing is used with this by primitive BYE. The by primitive brings you out of logo. As you type by, so it brings you out of logo. Okay. Okay, so I will show you the use of by command also. Just wait for a while. So this is the point at a glance part. Logo is a computer language and used to draw pictures, do calculation and print the text. And the screen of the logo is split into two parts, main screen and commander window. And the turtle is a small triangular structure that obeys logo commands. And logo commands are also known as primitives. And the set of primitives is known as a program. जब हम बहुत सारे primitives एक साथ use करते हैं, then it become the program. Okay, like I have shown you here, drawing a square. So you can see these all commands shown in this gray list box. It is called a program. It will call a program to make a square. Okay. Okay, now I am going to show you the use of by command. As I will use by command, so this logo screen, it will be closed automatically. Either you can close it by clicking on this cross or this cancel button, also close button also, and you can use, if you want to use logo primitives, so you should type BYE and just press enter or click on this execute button. Okay, I'm pressing enter key. Okay, wait, I'm pressing enter key. You can see the logo screen is disappeared now. It has been closed. Okay, so this is the use of these logo commands. Now we will complete the exercise part. In fill in the blanks, first is logo is a computer language. We can use logo to draw pictures and to do calculations. The command will run the turtle towards left by 90 degree. So left by 90 degree means LT 90. Okay, left means LT. Always specify a number of what next to forward or backward command. तो backward और forward में हम लोग क्या use करते हैं primitive के बाद? We use number of steps. We specify number of steps. And last, the set of primitives written one after another is called a program. Okay, easily you all can complete it. And next we have the matching part. Logo was developed by Seymour Papert, and two parts of turtle, head and tail. By command is used to exit logo, forward FD and left LT command. Okay. Okay, and then we have application and multiple choice questions and one word question answers. Okay, so that also I will share along with this answer sheet. Okay, so take care of yourself. See you all in the next class. Bye.